Log in to TexasAsphalt.org. Navigate to the top right-hand corner of your browser window and hit the Login button. Enter the email address associated with your TXAPA membership and your unique password. Update your personal information. The landing page of your user account at TexasAsphalt.org includes your personal information. Review your personal information and make any updates as needed. By default, your profile contact information is that of your organization. If you would like to add a home office address or other address, you may do so here. Update your communication preferences. Review that your primary email address is correct, and if desired, add a secondary email. If you would like to receive correspondence from TXAPA, make sure Yes is selected. This next section refers to third-party entities. TXAPA will never share your information with third parties, and by default, No is selected. The next section deals with online directory email preference. If you do not wish for other members to have access to your email address, select No. Otherwise, select which email you would like to display. This next section refers to your subscription to Texas Asphalt magazine. By default, all TXAPA members receive a complimentary subscription to Texas Asphalt. If you do not wish to receive Texas Asphalt, you may select No. When you have reviewed and updated all of your personal information, hit Save Changes. Although you have the ability to add additional locations to your personal information, please use caution. These locations pertain to you personally and will not reflect as locations of your organization.